Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Sensor 360 Investor, where we use best practices from the companies that we invest in around the world. Today's video, this is a short video. It's focused on the segment trader within our framework. And so we're going to look at the screen of the day. This was actually covered in quite some depth in a meeting last night at a meetup, but I wanted to just do a quick recap. And so there were 18 stocks that made the momentum screen. Most of these have fairly strong IBD rating slants to them, for those of you who follow IBD and CanSlim. But one of the things I pointed out was that there's been a shift in the types of stocks that are starting to come through. And so one notable sector that was persistent throughout the last night's review was the financial sector. So you can see financial services. There's several stocks from there, and then we've got some technology stocks that will really start to come back in. So it looks like there's some kind of rotation in the stocks that are now starting to show up as your lead momentum stocks. And so all 18 stocks in this list, we can look at the charts over here. So basically what you want to look for is at strong uptrends, and so most of these have that. In fact, they should all have some kind of momentum to it. And then secondarily after that, these are weekly charts. So you want to look for setups in terms of consolidations towards the upper right hand of the chart. So for example, IT is perfect, right? So you've got a nice little uptrend here, a pause, breakout, and now it's setting up in a little base, and a breakout out of that base would be your ticket to an entry, same as extreme. So you've got a nice little uptrend here. This one's had a powerful move. It's already gone up. We'll need some consolidation, as will this. But here's a nice little base that's set up out of this move up. And you can see here's another one. And some are still forming. So like 5 is in the process. It needs a consolidation and a pause before. So it needs to put in a little consolidation, sideways digestion consolidation before that can look to break up. But you have several stocks here which are already in basis ready, and watch those full breakouts. There's a few on the next page as well. So CRA, IBEX. So both of these are in positions where you can watch for a breakout on volume and see if you want to trade those. Then we have CVCYs. This has obviously gone through this peak up here on a swing peak. And so on a stock like this, you want to look for some kind of pause or pullback to participate in those. So that's the stocks that were covered in detail. You can stop the video, look at the list and study the list. You can also stop the video and look at the charts. That's pretty much what I wanted to quickly cover in this video. Not a long one, just a quick one, and enough information for you to go and review these stocks, take a look if any of these are interested, and then if you do happen to take any of the trades, let me know how they work it out by leaving a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, leave a comment if you're inclined to. That wraps it up. I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.